Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using Wealthfront. Wealthfront, found at wealthfront.com, is a digital financial advisor designed to make investing simpler and more accessible. They offer a range of services geared toward building long-term wealth, from automated investing to financial planning tools. One of their key features is the robo-advisor platform, which automatically manages your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. This takes the guesswork out of investing, particularly for beginners. They also offer access to tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 529 college savings plans. Wealthfront emphasizes low fees and uses a diversified portfolio strategy based on modern portfolio theory (MPT). This means they spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. They also offer features like tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax burden. While Wealthfront services are primarily online, they provide some level of customer support to answer questions and provide guidance. Their platform is user-friendly and designed to be easily navigable, even for those new to investing. Wealthfront caters to a range of investors, from those just starting out to those with more complex financial needs. They offer different account options and investment strategies to cater to these varying requirements. Ultimately, Wealthfront aims to provide a comprehensive and automated approach to managing your finances and building wealth over time. They strive to empower individuals to take control of their financial futures through accessible technology and personalized guidance. For more in-depth information, be sure to check out their website, wealthfront.com, which offers details about their various services, fee structures, and investment strategies. Remember to do your own research to determine if Wealthfront is the right fit for your individual financial situation and goals.